Hello, everyone. My name is Katie Sweeney. I decided to take an elective about children and families at risk because in the future I want to work with foster care and adopted children. I am adopted myself, so I am looking forward to exploring this area. In that profession, I would be working with children and families at risk. It seems like I can learn a lot from this course regarding working with these children and families. I am excited to complete the oral presentation. I chose the topic of community violence's impact on individuals and families. I am looking forward to doing research to see how community violence puts children and families at risk. I also decided to take an elective about children and families at risk because it also impacts all populations. Currently, I work with adolescents who have autism and or other intellectual disabilities. I am looking forward to learning different strategies in working with the families of these children. I also hope to learn more about the child welfare system and its impact on foster and adopted children. A burning question that I have about work with children and families would be how to become more effective in implementing the strengths based approach with foster and adopted children and their families. I look forward to working with all of you in this course. Thank you.